What is the CRA My Business Account for payroll? The portal in one sentence. CRA My Business Account is the main online portal where a business can see and manage its Canadian tax accounts. For payroll, it is where you confirm that payroll remittances were received, review balances, view filing history, and handle a lot of communication with the tax authority. For a US company running Canadian payroll from a distance, it is essentially your dashboard for everything the government sees. How it connects to your business number? Every business that deals with federal Canadian taxes has a business number. Under that number, there can be multiple program accounts, including payroll, GST or HST, and corporate income tax. My Business Account ties directly into that structure. Once you set it up, you can click into the payroll account and see remittances, charges, interest, and filing records tied to that specific program. Instead of guessing whether a payment was applied correctly, you see it on the screen. Why foreign employers should care? As a foreign employer, you often rely on local advisors or payroll providers to handle day-to-day remittances and filings. That is fine, but you still carry the legal responsibility. If something goes wrong, it is your name on the account. My Business Account gives your finance or tax team a way to verify that remittances are current, no unexpected penalties have appeared, and year-end filings have been accepted. Without that visibility, you are trusting that no news is good news, which is not a great compliance strategy in a foreign country. Using it to track payroll remittances. Each time you run payroll, you withhold income tax, CPP, and EI, then remit those amounts under your payroll account. In My Business Account, you can see those remittances appear along with any outstanding balance for the period. If a payment was sent with the wrong account reference, applied to the wrong period, or missed entirely, the discrepancy shows up there. That gives you a chance to correct the problem before interest and penalties accumulate or notices escalate. Messaging, notices, and online correspondence. The portal also acts as a messaging hub. Instead of relying solely on physical mail sent to a registered address, you can receive some notices electronically and respond through secure messaging. For a company based in another country, this cuts down on delays and lost letters. When a question comes up about your payroll filings, your advisor can send information through the portal, and your home office can see that the issue is being addressed. Representative access for advisors and providers. My Business Account allows you to authorize representatives such as Canadian accountants or payroll firms. You decide what level of access they have and which program accounts they can see. That way, your advisors can file returns and check balances without needing to control the entire profile. At the same time, someone in your organization should retain primary access so you are not dependent on one outside party to know what the government sees. Filing year-end slips and summaries. For payroll, year-end reporting is where everything comes together. You need to file slips summarizing employment income and deductions, plus summaries that reconcile totals for the year. My Business Account supports electronic filing of these forms. If your payroll system produces electronic files in the right format, they can be uploaded through the portal, and you can see confirmation that they were received. That reduces the risk that a batch of paper slips goes astray in the mail. Deadlines, balances, and staying ahead of problems. One of the quiet strengths of the portal is how it surfaces deadlines and balances. You can see due dates for upcoming returns and remittances, see whether penalties or interest have been charged, and confirm when issues have been resolved. For a foreign employer managing multiple jurisdictions, that kind of visibility is worth a lot. Instead of waiting for problems to find you, you can review your account and fix small issues early. Final thoughts. CRA My Business Account is not just another login. For a US company with Canadian payroll, it is the main view into how the tax authority sees you. It lets you track remittances, see balances, manage representatives, file year-end slips, and handle questions without relying solely on slow mail and scattered emails. If you treat Canadian payroll as a serious, ongoing part of your operations, getting comfortable with this portal is part of doing the job properly. If you want to make Canadian payroll feel like a normal, visible part of your finance function rather than a black box your provider handles, building My Business Account into your standard process is a good next step. You can find more practical explanations at www.theaccountingandtax.com. If you require assistance with Canadian tax matters, our team is ready to provide reliable professional support. Please contact us at 416-283-8774 or visit theaccountingandtax.com for more information. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.